right now, ready for take on the. Right now, I feel simple tapping at the agent market, bro, and just go source Asian companies and European companies.
Sponsor dogs them.
For make Jamaican at least switch their allegiance.
No, that. Alright. Me not support that.
They're upon that. That's crazy.
If I figure out that man can still no God, that man can even turn a different way or something. Or we need to go from the direction there, brother.
What, yeah, you load?
No, become more turn so.
Oh.
Yeah, that man a good man, but you can't hear me now.
Yeah, I hear you.
But me not hear as strong as you. You good still. You
Okay,
good.
okay.
Yeah. So probably next time I go from the direction.
Yeah.
But the wall kind of fuck up still. Figure it out still, isn't my dog? But yeah, dog. I'm not saying no. Monday we are go and go there now, dog. Yeah, jumper, Jordan. And I'm going in there, man, dog.
Yeah, I definitely be that dude. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy for him, I ain't gonna lie.
We happy for him or win?
I don't know Wade personally because he wasn't in my class, but I'm definitely happy for the dude.
Because he switch allegiance or
I mean, we'll chop it down one at a time. Yeah. I'm happy for dude. Yeah. I just recently watched an interview with him and he was definitely explaining why he switches allegiance. And then at the last part, he said something like, he said something like when he came, he came third?
Yeah. And
he said he didn't even get a congrats.
Yeah, not even an email.
And I was like, damn.
Yeah, dog.
That's messed up.
Yeah.
You know, I would have felt the same way. You know, and those are top caliber athletes.
Yeah.
And once you're not letting your athletes feel valued, and overwork, I mean, when the opportunities come, why not?
So you support the switch?
I do, 100%. I'm gonna tell you why I support the switch. In my time, I don't think Jamaica do enough to secure the upcoming athletes. Because a lot of these athletes didn't get to sign any NIL deals or...
That has to do with JAAA still.
I mean, right.
Yeah,
but so that's where the support comes in. You know, because you don't have the support as they have now, especially with the NIL deals and stuff. So, me doing that now and I was like, I'm going to graduate now. I don't know what to do. You know, life is life.
But one is, I get what you're saying that, but me I say, what? Alright, I get what you're saying about me. I say like, yes, the country can help, but like, everybody, you know what I mean? What make you different from next month?
I mean, alright. All these athletes, right? All the athletes when them come up out high school, the intercollegiate program, I mean, you can see them potential athletes where already making nationals team. You know, you have to just nurture these young talents because of them go. Alright, good question.
Because I hear one of that. The thing is, what I feel like I disconnect is that, brother. I know knock to that Jamaica, brother. Like, it seems as if the system designed for you to stay in Jamaica, dog. And if you're outside of Jamaica, it's hard to get support. Because majority of people that transfer in, dog, are foreigners technically, you know.
Right.
You see me, dog? Because it seems as if a man with that yard, they might get something. Me no know, me not sure, but as I say, no one has allegiance to that yard, brother.
Yes.
You get me? I say, me don't know if that's the case, but that go on. You see me, bro?
But remember, say, when they come in a collegiate system, you know, bro, you spend 4 years here.
Yeah.
You cannot develop on a new system.
Yeah.
It's just harder for you to just get up back and say, okay, may I go back home to get adjusted to another system again.
Yeah.
Me think personally, say, okay, once you have certain caliber athlete, where okay, pro level competent, at the least JJ can do like, kind of create one program or somebody. We can say, okay, reach out to these athletes and say, okay, what's going on? You need help in this area. Because a lot of time, people don't even, not depend on a full scholarship or whatnot. You know what I say? They can get injured at any given moment, you know?
But they have insurance.
Not.
No, my JAAA provide insurance.
JAAA provide insurance?
Yeah, I have insurance card. Yeah.
They
You have
do?
one? Yeah, me
You have one?
Yeah.
Are we familiar?
Yeah. If you valid again, but
Yeah.
everyone,
But
yeah.
they need to have something in place, especially in your last half of your collegiate career. Have somebody that say, okay, for guide you, because after you leave college, you know, it done, you know, I say school, now have nothing to do with you again, you know.
I understand what me I say, like, what make a man, why, alright, you feel, alright, what separate a man from the next man? Because everybody can't get the same rate. That me I say, brother, like, at what point?
But the same system America got.
And everybody get it, dog. And everybody,
That's
brother.
what I say. The ponte, you can nurture. Kind of everybody want on pro.
True.
Yes, and
Exactly. So,
yeah.
how me go? So, because you do good, must give you money, you don't want to turn pro?
No, I not say that. Don't get me wrong. But you have these athletes, where in a pipeline, could it be just be one conversation to kind of give them that little push, that
True.
little edge, and say, yo, God no. You know how you feel like, just for instance, they say Usain Bolt a part of the JAAA program, and then in part of that system, and he just reach out and say, yo, we see what you do, we love what you do. You need anything, you know, need an assistant with anything, and you say, oh, Usain Bolt, reach out to me, you know.
Yeah.
And we put it, you know,
Yeah.
because it's a mental strain just being alienated in a different country, you know what I mean? I say.
Yeah.
And you have to deal with so much things. You juggle classes, you juggle track and field, you juggle for deal with all type of environment, weather, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So just have that type of support system, because a lot of us here don't. You know what I mean? I say. So I just JAAA just kind of just, it's a lot to nibble and nabble at, but
Yeah.
I think that is something can be done.
But you feel like you're realistic, though. That means, like,
It is realistic.
Because if you look on your brother, enough man got champs, enough man graduate from high school, enough man go overseas, brother. And alright, you can look on you and say, alright, let's say the whole character team got foreign, brother. Right? Every athlete will make the character team from this year got foreign. Right? How me determine say yo that the money if you get money? You know what I mean? Like
Some go fall through cracks.
Yeah.
Naturally.
Yeah.
I mean, some definitely go fall through cracks, bro.
True.
You know, some people might see better avenue what they want, you know.
Cherokee,
But
look up yourself.
some people go see better avenue what they want and things with other adventure what they want to explore.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna bang them for that. The youths them I feel it, you know. They never see the support with JAAA provide as a top caliber athlete. These people make world championship
Finals.
team, Olympic team,
Everything.
and you don't feel valued by your own country.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that crazy. Me would have feel. Me do think more and put on back your jersey no more. And the dog say something. The dog say loyalty don't pay bills, and I got to agree.
Yeah.
I mean, as much as me very patriotic and I love my country, you see me, but it's all come down to a business.
Yeah,
It's
dog.
totally business, because
Yeah.
if a dog end up get injured right now and say never take that turkey deal, bro.
Get fucked.
Bro,
Yeah, man.
him with a mash up. Yeah. Man, it's all about being secured, bro.
Yeah.
And right now, the dog fully secure.
Yeah, man.
Millions.
I chat to Ginger one day, I say, yeah, deal, bro. I somebody ate some steak, I say,
No, hey, but yo, mama, tell you, like, especially for Ginger, bro.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
I met with Ginger at a meet in Memphis when I was coaching at Harding,
Yeah.
and I talked to him. I was like, see, oh, Ginger, what going, blah blah. And the man I tell me, so me I say, yo, you know, sign it, and I said, no, sir. And so comes the doctor, show me pre, you know, I say, what am I have to do for you support this? And I said, bro, that's crazy.
Crazy.
You know what I say? If you do all of this,
Yeah.
you left what you do, if you come to meet you, if you have fun doing things by yourself,
Drive horse, brother.
and then you still need to survive.
Yeah.
You know what kind of mental strain that can take on the human body?
Brother, dog, you show me my vibe, say, yo, after the Olympics, brother, they have meeting with the man and tell the man, say, like, dog, you know that advice, my opinion. Before,
Yeah.
after, and during. I say, yo, me need some money, my broke. Me need some money, my broke, dog, you see me? The man say, man, them tell the man say, yo, dog, I get some funding, dog, you see me?
Yeah.
Man say, alright, cool. Cause man, bear in mind, man to me say from the year before, I never tried him about his school. I text him and ask him. Not with school, which country. I link him in a dog. And the man said no. I will stick with Jamaica.
Yeah.
But I hear him when he get him $1, I mean. Man say dad him to him say, oh, I'm gonna help you with some funding and thing. Dog say 5 years and say like
Jamaica? No. And I realized 500 US. Yeah. But
one time in the dog.
One time,
bro.
500 can't even pay a car note, bro.
Brother, 500 you can pay me and the dog.
That's crazy.
Dog.
I mean, that's a high level of disrespect for the caliber athlete.
Brother, a height of disrespect.
Bro, that's crazy. Brother. So when I see these guys making these switches,
yeah, man.
I mean, all right, look, if it was in my time, I wouldn't think about it. Happy Thanksgiving Day, bro. I'm gone every day. Thanksgiving. Yo, because because me and Jordan in a ICM class. So it's me, Jordan, we have some.
We something like compete?
It's right now, me it on and off. You know, because he support. I mean,
in a country, see me?
I believe so.
Yeah.
So that me have to put it down. Support. I mean, because he don't have a pro contract. You know what I mean? I say so. He support Clayton too. Clayton in that class too. I mean, we all make finals at nationals. Like, if that class was supposed to nurtured, bro,
right
that would be a banging class.
Yeah, especially right now, I jumps at the
class, yeah, crazy. Yeah, that's why I say, yo, my pro that youth, man, and Jordan, bro, happy Thanksgiving when it comes, bro. Yeah. Don't care. Yeah. But back to Pinnock. But I mean, these youngsters, they need to secure their future.
Yeah.
Youth have a kid, man.
Yeah,
you know. Set up yourself right now, because at any given moment you can get injured. And I'm always tell the youth them say, yo, finishing the degree.
Fox.
Yo, finishing the degree.
Yeah.
I mean, once me get my degree, bro, I was good.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? I was Gucci. I'm fine.
Yeah.
Cause at any given moment, bro, when you put that spikes up, you're gonna need something back to fall on, you know? Yeah. But the one shocking thing though, I didn't see the other triple jumpers come.
Oh, Ebert?
Yeah, I don't see that one.
You never see him switch?
No.
You know, I'm not lying to you, dog. That to me make a whole heap of sense, dog.
Nah.
That make a whole heap of sense to me, dog.
I don't understand that one though.
Why?
Bro.
You know, say, in agent, I think one Bahamas man said the same thing too. Say, he understand why we ain't left in that.
Yeah.
But he understand why Jaden left.
Yeah.
What you mean? Alright, what me kidding me? To me, dog, let me tell you why me that. If I was Jaden, I left, brother. It's based on what we not talk about, brother.
Yeah.
I think we not use, no, I don't know if it's true. I think we not use Jaden experience as a marker. Because I must have Jaden do surgery with the other dog.
Oh.
Yeah, that me I look for.
What was that? Olympics he got injured?
Or before.
Before?
Them, yeah. Either, I think he get hurt in the finals.
Yeah, he get hurt in the finals. Yeah, because I predict him to win that final. I ain't gonna lie. That nigga was going on.
Dog, man, tough in the dog.
Yeah.
But I think the dog, I look on him and say, yo, I know that. I think with speech when get what they are from experience with Jaden.
Okay, so maybe, again, maybe he didn't get the proper treatment as a top caliber junior. Yeah. The man is a world record holder at the junior level, man. Yeah, that man is not supposed to ask for anything. Yeah, you know what I say? Yeah. That man is supposed to touch ground.
Levitate.
But never levitate. JJ say, oh, what happened? Yeah, and plus, the
man young dog.
Brother, he's so young. That's why I say you have to nurture these young talents. Them the little man there. Oh, yeah, JJ say, yo, what you want? what JJ you blow up him?
Yeah,
I say, okay, helicopter if you go over, go down at KC or whatever you want to train.
Like Mr. Bermuda. That I we know boy, you know, brother. I feel like we don't know that.
Yeah, dog, but I mean, I don't know the exact situation behind everything, but I mean, I'm happy for the kid. But I didn't see it, but I understand it.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, if it come down to monetary thing, because I know some other say it will come down to monetary, but I don't know personally what kind of treatment he got from JAAA or JAAA or whatever Jamaica like to do, because they like to downplay these athletes and not give the credit to these athletes, and so I understand. But they making like this is the first somebody switching allegiance.
Well, but not of this caliber. Remember?
Okay.
Yeah, that a difference. And you see thing where one of me want them talk about half a year, he must say, wait a see again. I'm gonna look and see if anything will change. I say things are gonna change. Man said no.
Nothing not change.
Dog, you said nothing change, brother. We done no.
Brother, everybody fi switch. Yo, Europe, connect. Yo, Europe, connect. Yo.
No, dog.
Yo.
Brother.
Listen, let me tell you, loyalty. That's why, if you don't realize it, I people them who, if you realize, you see, all who make it transition into the NCA market, them a move.
That me answer because of them know.
Yes, them a feel it. You see Jamaican them a say, oh, loyalty, and then get one like 120,000 rules crew and then just go and sit down and no. Whatever. That now cut it. Yo, let me see. Yo, look how they deal with big boy. Bro, they need the big boy as a national record holder, bro. The heights of level of disrespect them when they man they go through. Yes. But somebody think me blame himself, you know. But not all right. You know, you have to take somebody look at me beat that too. But
right now I go through still. Look, I fuck you into a chairs.
Oh, he's brother. Me no wish bad upon him, but if he don't make that standard, it's all on him, bro.
You know, say man, dad did talk though. I should delete the screenshot on my phone. Dad, I say brother, him feel him hamstring. I come off the first 200. I go 170, 150 the same feel. And I must say after in coming and straight away there so and he feel good. So the last part he move, and he feel again so ease up. I mean I say me don't know, you have to take your word feet. I must say ease up dog, you see me? But if you want to ease up dog, me can kinda justify it because I know like when boat la running 969 in a Beijing brother. He start celebrating, but the dog still a run.
Yeah.
The man top run dog. Mac literally top run dog.
Bro, the man stop.
The man top run
Bro,
completely,
you don't want with the app man I make that sweet. No disrespect big boy, you should have come second. Man should have beat up on the line. Because I was too way off at
that. Dog climb, you know?
Bro, the man, let me tell you why it hurt me so much. If he need to run 45 and do that, it would do so bad. But you're right there for the qualification, man, bro. And you shut it down 10 meters out and walk and celebrate and show a boat. Man, to the past, you would have life lessons that teach him something. But big up yourself, man. A good run, man. A good run. I ain't gonna lie. That was a very good run.
But yes, if you not carry through dog, I know.
I mean, he just run the last weekend. This weekend.
45.
He won 45, I mean,
we still have a good time.
We do, but all he have to do, actually secure and just go and chill. No, you worry if you go in a race, okay, me need to qualify. Man, could I take off the pressure with ease?
True.
That was a very smooth, stellar race.
Yeah, money daddy, looks smooth still.
No, I'm gonna lie. And then, for where I come from, that's why I'm so excited for him.
Yeah.
Because, oh God, man, what a fight, them fight him.
Brother. The person want a team man dog, I tell him man see how that many for a reason that man I say brother, you know MVP things to the right dog. I say man you me read the question them man give your dog I make them vet it brother. I don't know man, I don't like me I go dig into the program no dog, but why you come talk who you be brother, why you talk? Cause we know him in that but me I say dog then don't see him as big boy. You know what big boy I mean? Fucking idiot. I don't lie. You know Jamaica. Yeah, so if you don't say, but in taking him and hold it, you see me? And like him taking and say, yo, me no name say, man.
Yeah, man, embrace him, because that's how me know him as.
You can't bully him.
Yeah, I cool you, man. Yeah, I go up a couple teams with him, man. Very cool you.
Yeah. I don't like when he did that World Indoors, dog. I said, Jano, dog.
Didn't y'all go to World Relays together too?
Yeah.
I believe y'all went to.
Dog, when me see dog on the World Indoors team this year, dog. I say, my man them senior by far, dog.
Yo, he's a veteran, bro.
Brother.
He's a vet.
Brother.
He's a vet. So that's why I say, yo, I'm forgetting respect, but I mean, as a veteran in our business, that was a rookie mistake.
Yeah, big rookie mistake.
Big rookie mistake, man. And that's why you should have come second and learn from it moving forward. As a still a superstar athlete, national record holder.
Yeah.
If you set yourself a standard now, man.
True.
Left the little thing then show about it. You know,
Nah, man, sure about man.
you can, make it exciting.
Yeah.
But I mean, I wait was done. And because he didn't, if he ain't qualify, would have no problem. Do what you want to do. Shoot up the place, rifle walk, do what you want to do.
Where man come from still in the dog. We don't know where man deal with no brother.
Yeah.
If a man comes, I mean, after I said about in the dog, the man go on a press run in the dog.
So hamstring in the hurt, brother.
Hamstring hurt.
No hamstring, man.
Adrenaline, brother.
800 the man run, bro.
Nah, man, adrenaline. When I say run 4x4 to a college, you know 4x4 still.
Yeah.
Adrenaline, brother.
I mean, understand still.
Yeah, dog.
But more want him do good. Hope say him can. More want him make the finals. Yeah, more want him make the finals. Me not feel say him can win. But
if I know still no.
No.
Why?
Be realistic. There's no way that man beating Norman, bro.
Norman, nothing that wanna run.
Norman run this year. That man injured.
Boy, them man they are mind case to me, you know that. Them man they head case in that.
I mean, a lot of them. You know what? Let's not touch on that Miami. It's not Miami campus. It's where in it? Florida. At Florida camp that down.
Norman in that. Boy,
in that
Norman did there USC.
USC still at USC. Man Benjamin.
I think no, Benjamin gone. UCLA Lakers in coach gone.
Oh.
Yeah, dog.
I mean, it seems like a hate case sometimes, but I think he have the willpower.
They might not have willpower, brother.
You don't think saying just fast and strong?
Dog, I feel like dog. Every win, dog, on the circuit, brother. That's not easy win, dog. Me.
So
that's my thing, that. Dog.
So he doesn't have a global stage.
Yeah, man. He win 2022.
Yeah.
Yeah. 400.
If you remember something right, yeah.
Me not saying no good, but
yeah.
I think you have your heart. You know who have your heart though? Such man there.
Dos Santos?
No man, Adidas you man. We win Olympics, man. Okay, that you there, brother.
Me know what you're talking about.
Hall. I say him.
Me know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Look at you. Yeah.
Daddy man they have heart.
Yeah.
Santos have heart too.
Santos
I don't think that one have heart, brother. I think Maki have more heart than now, man.
Who?
Rashid McNair. I think you have more heart than Mike and man.
Fair to say. Kai dog, they also,
Them man they run feel over a game.
Yeah.
If now man make money, my cut, brother. But Maki love it.
Yeah, brother, long time.
Love it, brother.
I mean, he supposed to be in a retired position right now.
Yeah.
He's supposed to be brushing his 30s, over his 30s.
Yeah, but I mean, if Shelly I do it. Yeah, I mean.
Yeah.
When I got it.
But this is the last year.
Yeah, for Shelly.
Yeah. Oh my God. She have a wonderful career, man.
Yeah.
She should pack it up.
Nice.
And go nicely right now. She's set for life.
You think she gonna win?
No.
No? We have.
What for win the 100?
Yeah.
Alfred.
I love Caribbean, but Melissa Jefferson look dangerous.
She looked dangerous. I mean, I think that one race where she got beaten in the other day.
Wake her up.
They kind of wake her up.
Yeah,
Look what she just 21.6 in the 200, I believe.
Yeah, I think so.
Bro, she flying, bro.
Yeah, man.
Like a lion. Jesus Christ. Bro. So I'm saying, dog. I mean, Jefferson nice.
Yeah.
She very nice. I ain't gonna lie. She very nice. I mean, she full of composure.
Yeah.
And even when you're pressing her, she can relax.
She hold it, man.
Yeah, but what's going on for Gabby?
Gabby a run, man.
Gabby a run.
She the boat, man. Yeah,
She the
man.
boat. Okay.
Yeah, man. She dip on the Grand Slam circuit and she go couple offshore meet, you know. But you know, so you just try to come, so you know, so you gotta see them out there.
Oh yeah,
That's 2 weeks from now.
Oh, I forgot Jamaica Charles and
Yeah, Jamaica alone do it early.
Yeah.
You feel like that was a good idea though?
what?
If you have a Charles early versus late.
I think it should have been later.
I think the best option have to do it early. I think they make it best choice.
But I forget them chance.
Yeah, because I look on the collegiate them dog. Man, them tired like a war, you know, dog.
Oh my yeah, a couple collegiate man they go short still.
Dog.
I mean, yeah, it was January, February, March. I mean, yeah.
They might train for when, but August.
Yeah, there's a long training season, man, especially for the collegiate league. That's why when they go on the world stage in August, I mean, if they don't perform, I'm not beating them.
Yeah, but the world I can beat them still.
But you have to understand though, that's training 1 year all around August to August.
But we the farmer track athlete turning fans understand. I think if
the general fan base, because the behind the scene part.
Yeah.
Yeah, but definitely have to take in consideration. You training from August to August. That's deadly, bro.
Whole heap of running that.
And competing at the highest level with some of the greatest to do this sport.
Brother, NCAA now.
Oh God, there's so much talent in this. They call it the track inflation. Look at the little high school kids. Jesus.
9, brother. Dog, I'm glad I didn't retire. Cause I say, jeez. Alright, I never retire. I took a break. But I say, yo, dog, I look on here right now. I say, yo, dog. When would I there? Like, dog.
You never know, though.
True still, but brother, the man, they might run some serious time, dog.
Yeah,
Woman,
serious.
Brother, serious time, brother.
Serious.
Big man thing, dog. Dog. The currency a drop.
Yeah.
Brother.
Yeah.
Dog.
I don't know what these kids are drinking, man. Hope it's Gatorade.
Well, but not get bands of ours.
But they're doing good though.
They
absolutely. The transition though, you know, for the switching from high school to the collegiate level. What I hate to see happen is these kids, because they're running pro time, just sign pro out of high school. Understand the money, but y'all cutting A&L deal already. So
some of them are get you know, some if you talk to one live, if link her about it again though, because I want to do a reason would be to explain how
the whole NIL thing.
Yeah, dog, as an international.
Oh, it's kind of different.
It's different because based on the terms I say it have to run through the country. Like Adidas, because you get Adidas have to run it through Bahamas if you get paid.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're basically getting paid in your currency.
You have to get paid through your country.
Through your country.
But I don't really know if I find the details.
So basically, if you're here, you're not really making that much money then, really.
No, man. Once a company have like a homestead in the country, you're
right.
good.
Okay.
But that's why all the US them can get anything because every company basically there.
Yeah.
But for Caribbean, it's kind of different. That's why I say most Jamaicans get Adidas and Puma in IL.
Oh.
Yeah,
okay. You think that we should have made that switch to Adidas?
Yeah, dog.
Hell yeah.
Big time, brother.
I don't know why we hanging on to
brother,
Puma. I love Puma.
I tell you, brother, one night that brother. Yo, that dog. Brother, that's clear as day, bro.
Yeah, bro. Because if the soccer team made the switch a long time ago,
brother,
why are we still holding on?
Well, he's off for soccer business, bro.
Football, alright. Football. The football team make a switch.
Yeah, that brother. Even them did get involved when I talk about say, yo, that this make fucking sense. This makes sense. So much athlete come and talk about it, brother. Like, what the fuck are going on, brother?
Yeah.
Why not switch to Adidas, brother?
Money, bro. Like,
money, dog.
I mean, politics.
Yeah,
nepotism, they say.
I want nepotism because I'm an athlete, then, brother.
A white president for JAAA again.
Mr. Garrett Gill.
Mr. Garrett Gill, man. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, I agree with you. One college. But
yeah.
I'm feeling they should have switched that.
Yeah, most definitely. I mean, try something new. And what I don't understand is how these officials sit in those positions for so long.
Voluntary work.
It's voluntary?
Voluntary work.
Hold on. So working at JAAA is all voluntary?
All voluntary.
So nobody get paid? You know what? That's the type of volunteer work I would love to do.
Yeah, that kind of thing, brother. You see me? Like, I think I get a principal or something in school, brother.
Okay.
Yeah, dog. So I'm not like in full-time job. So I feel like that then can I use as an excuse and say, yo, I don't gotta do this shit.
Oh.
You know what I mean? Like,
so, but they don't care. So they basically don't care.
Well, I mean, I don't know if they don't care, dog. But they care when shit forgot.
Yeah.
You see me? But if they care, like, for real.
So that's why these athletes are switching, because they, they don't feel like.
Yeah,
I mean,
once I get an email and that's crazy.
Bro, when I read, when I to watch it back, I just say, damn. You know me, I always tell about say yo, Jaja.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna listen when man I said, dog, and the man. I say it's a heartfelt message, bro.
Yeah, dog.
Man say, not even email.
Not even an email.
Me say, a big old caliber athlete like that. You know what? Not even an email. Brother.
I have also some email them on automation, brother.
Brother, then they should at least reach out to the juvenile man and make him feel welcome, man. You know what I say?
Brother, you know, say, are you gonna chat about your smart days, brother? I say, dog, I guarantee you, if Kishian did win the Bills a road match.
Yeah.
But Stoner, because mature, and Morant be alone.
Yeah, that
We
day.
not get no dog after Kishin win the Bills and the brother come next say man them shut down dog.
Bro,
Brother,
after that
Olympics
time,
done.
Olympics done. A waste of time, like, bro, nobody has no care. But that me I said, like, even that, man, you understand, you ain't that look of pressure. But, I mean, sorry, still medal, still treat him with the form of respect, you know, man, give it to him. How much countries got this, bro? Wally, how much athletes go to first, second round, whatever finals and this to reach there with the top 8 in the world and line up line to line. And they go at it. And the man medal and not treat him man and say, yo.
We too posh. We too posh.
No man. You should have give man something, man. Something. Make him man feel like, okay, yeah, me I represent Jamaica. Alright now. See man go off right now, everybody talk. Kish it.
Yeah, that
and watch our civil go wet him.
Yeah, civil like that.
Eh?
A civil like that.
A civil me got.
Civil like that, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Tough man. Civil tough man.
Yeah.
Civil tough.
Civil go beat him man. But more to 1-2, me no feel say lies go evil. Quinella. Yeah. But me lies in he's gonna get a run for his money this
And
trip.
Bills are 2 bills.
The Bills. Yeah, the 2 Bills is kind of up in the air, and I'm happy to see how Caesar progress.
You see, thing is about this a year, dog. I really talk about the things the last done still in the dog.
Yeah.
I'm see boy coming out blood clot 19.8 or 19.7.2 walk over the year, brother. I think man did done, brother.
The 2 Bills always up in the air, bro.
Yeah,
because, alright, me feel say Tobago after he run the fast time of the day, he dog going back and load up. So he dog, I see, because he run the 100 time, he look so good, because he dog run 10.03, I give it time for me, I think about 10.03, 10 something.
Yeah.
He never look so good in the Bills, I feel say under load.
Yeah.
So after he just come out, beat out a fast time and see what in there,
Yeah.
he dog going back and load up again, because I feel say, he dog have something to prove this year.
Yeah.
Tobago.
Definitely.
You them good whatever they got.
Go. brother, I think the Monday is a fucking market. Yeah, you know, you ever hear both say they have plants in a music and they must say, yo, them people have plants.
Yeah.
I think him is a plant. I don't think. No, like seriously, brother, me not see them when I run. No way.
But Australia?
No way. Me see when I running little picnic on grass, dog. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Like, no, bro. Me not see man run nowhere.
What you see? He rigged.
Me not see man run
Yeah,
nowhere, dog.
I never see running.
No Diamond League, no Continental, no nothing, brother.
Just in Australia.
Yeah, unless me not see.
I mean, the sea level, I think the sea level got a lot to do with his time too. So, I mean, unless he start go do some European meet or come here,
something that
he need to start doing some other meets and stop running with these all Australians.
Yeah, and you see craziest thing, brother. Adidas a market the shit out there.
Yeah, because of his age.
Goat. He name bad.
Yeah, man, the dog name tough, man. And the dog appealing. The dog can please the fans. The dog engaging, you know, just like how Tara they engage. I mean, Chaka and Fila get nice. Not like one time in Buddhist Road and come on. Me like him. I like the direction of Chaka and Fila going on. The man them celebrate and you know and yeah. We love that. We love that for his sport.
Yeah. So you watch Grand Slam? You take in a little bit?
Yeah, man, me take in a little bit, man.
How you feel about it?
Boy, it was something new.
Yeah.
Okay, me love the concept. The concept is good. Me understand say Michael Johnson, you know, he want kind of facilitate some figure athletes make
money, brother.
Money, yes, for make them make some money.
Money,
yeah, for make them make some money.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, and that's good, cause at least them not really get no breeze like that if you not compete on the world stage, and you know what I mean. I say
True.
so. For that, now we set them up and give them some breeze. That was very good.
Yeah.
You know, but I mean, the back-to-back races, them like I think every 2 weeks.
I never really every 2 weeks, but you can't say every 2 weeks.
Yeah. I mean, it kind of, I think, it forced in training program for sharpen them up, but now they have to back off now.
Yeah.
Everybody have to back off right now and kind of recoup what they say, okay, no, so they have a bigger meet that come up now.
Yeah.
And, boy, I don't know Odaine go, I think they have enough time. Yeah, they have enough time because trials are right there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, but, I mean, you run so hard. I think, you know what, I believe the Grand Slam was indoor for them.
No, that. We can't say we are going that.
Yeah, it was kind of indoor for them because most of these athletes didn't run indoor. Yeah.
Right.
So it was kind of like an indoor to them where they just knock that out and then go back to base again.
Yeah.
Then get ready back for for nationals.
Trials.
Yeah, and then back off for trials again.
Go on again.
And I know say sees there. So that what I believe. I mean, most of the athletes them when I see a Grand Slam, I don't see them for the circuit.
Well, let's see few of them.
Few of them, yeah.
Yeah, I don't see as much as I on them still. Is me. See Jerry, Matthew, it's not the same.
Yeah.
Melissa still out there.
Alright.
Is it me?
Look, dog did run good at a Grand Slam.
Who are they?
Hudson.
Yeah.
But see, look at you come YM.
Yeah.
Other day, bro, that man come from way in the back.
Yeah.
I never heard of him.
Eh?
No, I don't know that kid.
You need to get your point.
Yeah, I really do. When I watch the race, and I say, yo, who are you there? And this man just come through, brother. I say, yo, well, that was a good race to watch, though.
Yeah, I like Grand Slam slip, I not lie. A nice setup, bro. A nice setup. It just kind of end prematurely.
Yes.
But I like how they market the end of it, like him and say, yo, we don't have to prove. I think instead of one tweet, him and say, yo, we don't have to prove. When like a week later, we say them broke.
Yeah.
You see me? Hope say not brokenness. Hope I just, maybe, I don't know. Something must be definitely going on.
The money that they're offering, because you need sponsors to run these level of meets. These are money meets.
Brother, it to me, it did too much, dog.
Yeah, I think that
too much,
it was so much money, man.
Yeah,
giving away.
For first place alone, that 100 grand, dog. It's so nice.
For one weekend.
Brother, just give me 150, brother.
For one weekend, it was crazy. I think because it was so new and if you draw the top caliber athletes them to it, they did have to do that. I mean, it could have come down with the price a little bit, but because
100 sound like million.
Yeah, but
I think at that.
And then who behind it, with face behind it, you know, want to look too cheap.
True.
You know what I mean? I say so.
True.
Yeah, if you just go all out and just go booming.
True.
But the last end night, you know, they must say, yo, no money is at least a complete and get paid and whatnot.
But that, I see all that to do with that. I think, dog, that to me, dog, I mean, no sense because every track meet, every athlete knows, brother, whenever you run, you have to get drug test before your money to clear that.
Yeah.
So, Grand Slam is no work about, Grand Slam not above the rule for you say, yo, I'm going to pay right then and there, bro. Fuck no, so get banned, brother.
So long, did you expect them to run and collect their 100K right away?
So it's son.
Oh.
That it sound like to people, dog.
Oh, no. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, people do not understand the sport like that. Okay. That makes sense, yeah.
So
I mean, a lot of that's what I mean, people that watch race long sometimes you see they sit down and watch races to people that know nothing about the sport.
Yeah.
And you so annoyed you get, bro, like, bro, shut up. You know what I mean? I said, just be quiet because you really don't know nothing about the sport. And then the judgment where them pass upon the athlete.
Brother?
Oh my God. But that's sorry for them. And I'm out there.
Yeah. Man, them cold, brother.
It's crazy.
Man, them cold, brother. I mean, I think no people cut out if you understand what really go on in sports. That like,
it's a lot. It's a lot.
Hold it on your money, on your mind, hold on your body, brother.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, it's a tough, brother.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
But we wish you at least the best still, you know. Especially with Jamaican at least. I mean, the worst thing about it right now, they just can't go get to compete in our colours. Me that hope for some medals.
Them you attack.
Yeah. US switch their allegiance, but right now we have a bank keeper man like Jordan Scott.
Well, like if you say a banky, because man is firing right now.
Yeah.
I just call it banky.
Me a banky.
Oh, bank to means yo.
Oh no.
Reserve.
Bank, yeah, me put money on. Yeah. So put money on him man there. Kiri. Yeah, so you look at Jamaicans and what we got left right now, we have to take care of them, bro. You know, yo, if you don't see you them on the street, no, yeah, man, I laugh. No, for real. Like you see, these athletes represent, put on our national colors on a daily and go on the global stage to represent us. When you see these people in the streets, give them their credit, man. Give them their flowers. Give them their gratitude, because, you know, boy, just like how when Messi come here.
Dog, you see picture them?
Brother.
Just
like when Messi come here. No, Messi from Adams. Messi ever put on a Jamaica shirt, it show athlete them their respect, man.
Real.
Yeah, straight up. And you know what? As I tell upon that, you know what burned me, bro? Last year, Nayoka situation, bro.
Brother. I truly never know what I'm gonna call her, brother.
Bro.
Dog. Fuck her, brother.
Brother, a crash out. That's a certified crash out.
Brother.
That
Fuck her, dog.
don't make no sense.
No sense, brother.
You know what I say, bro? Me think that was deliberate.
I think so too.
Me think that was deliberate, bro.
Yeah, man.
Me think to them, okay, me I try to save some money. Maybe them I think to yo, maybe she not got medal. But she worked so hard,
brother,
to get to that position. Bring her,
brother. It don't matter.
It don't matter. That me I say, yeah, it don't matter.
Uno think say Ginger got medal and Stone got medal. No, brother.
But excuse me, here, JAAA using I pass. Okay, this athlete that now I'm gonna get this.
Fuck.
So me not carry.
That nothing to do nothing, brother.
Yeah.
That can't guess so. The ball round, brother. Anything you can play, brother.
And the mental breakdown that she went through,
dog,
and have to bounce back. And you know, say if then they just carry her and me too, and just accept their mistake and know say they mess up, and just carry her and say, come on, we mess up,
yeah,
and just give her the experience to see.
But
yeah,
dog.
Me that feel better.
Yeah.
But yeah, take left her completely,
and then go back and call other man. Cause no knocking up, brother. Anthony Cox is a quarter mile line, brother. I'm a dog. Anthony, we a dog. Don't tell nobody otherwise. I lie, I tell. Brother. And then care Cox, and then care Kimboy, brother.
Yeah.
And don't care Sheena, I mean, but it's a different plane, dog.
Because then go back Kimba for really, right?
Yeah, dog. And then care about Coxie for some really, I mean, what if we were for him to qualify? Anyway, Coxie the Olympics.
Yeah. Then should I carry her? Yeah, brother. The Olympics, bro.
Yeah,
you go get your OLY. Are you the
Ollie?
certificate?
She have sitting there by her one time and say thing funny.
She's like, would you give it to her?
No, dog. Yes, but no. Man, understand what you're saying, no?
Yeah.
But you see, I'm teaching that reason, dog. And I tell myself, brother, I didn't even consider myself Olympian. I say, what you mean, man? I'm not go up on the track.
Oh, in a run today?
Yeah, kind of in going now. In 2021, but the dog get hurt in a practice.
Oh.
Yeah, dog. But she did have one sitting there by her dog, where she have, like she say, almost Olympian.
She That's funny, man.
That's funny though. Yeah. She funny. That.
I mean, I would have hypothetical though. But I definitely give her. I mean, she earned it.
Yeah, she definitely earned it, dog.
But the mental space with that incident alone put her, you know, that's devastating.
Yeah,
I wouldn't want to see any other league go through that. That's crazy. And if you bounce back from it, and then
make PR from PR.
And a PR, and then you're doing well, girl. Keep your shit up.
Who next on the list?
Who else I got out there? Maybe I will get one, you know, we line up something different.
Yeah. People with us there, I test out the news. Yeah. That's how it takes so long. Check. Other camera not come yet, so we just use the one and I go and bounce it.
Yeah.
Even if me not camera, even if you not camera, but
we figure it out.
Yeah, we figure it out.
Yeah.
But you have to get up on an episode just tell the guy, you know.
Oh, for my okay. We still figure out that one.
That's soft.
Yeah. We can get to chop up the episode this season since we there or something. Yeah, kind of.
I like me having pain.
Yeah.
1 year I go get paid. If we use that, I'll get paid.
Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving to the youths them for turkey. I'm pro right now. Ready for take on the right now. My feel simple. Tapping at the agent market, bro, and just go source Asian companies and European companies
sponsor dogs
for make Jamaican athletes switch their allegiance.
No, that. Me not support that. Me not support that one.